Nick is searching for used trucks. Here is the story of how Nick found his new Ford F-150. Notice that Nick has moved to browsing Google to see what is available. Eventually, after browsing around Google, he finds something worth clicking on. Again, Nick is just browsing, he has no real intention of sharing his information. After browsing online, Nick decides to get offline and see what his friends are up to. While on Facebook, CarSherpas chatbot locates Nick and attempts to engage Nick. Once Nick is engaged, our chatbot works to convert Nick into a qualified lead. Let's watch. As you can see, our software is asking Nick buying questions and engaging Nick in the sales process. Now Nick's information has been sent to the dealer CRM with a full transcript of the chat, and our bot has given Nick a link to finish up the credit application. Nick will be called by the dealership at his preferred time. The finished credit application will then go to the dealership's finance manager. This leaving only the paperwork and test drive to complete the transaction.